Hi, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here at our latest project, standing in the lounge room. It's no secret that we love talking about window coverings because they genuinely have the ability to transform a space. What's super important is that you factor in these window coverings to your initial budget. The last thing you want to do is find yourself having completed a beautiful renovation and run out of money to put window coverings up. Now let me show you what we've chosen in the living space here. It's called the Silhouette Shadings with Power View Motorization. Really cool, look at this. You can see the whole room changing. The whole feel of the room is changing as it's coming down. We've opted for a fabric in translucent opacity. The sheer fabric veins diffuse the light and filter the UV to provide a warm glow, which is perfect for the front lounge room. What's great about these soft shades is how versatile they are. It can be open for full view, adjusted for soft focus, or closed fully for privacy, all with the touch of a button on our PowerView Pebble remote. In this dining space behind me, we've chosen to go with the Roman shades. We've selected a really wide fold here to complement the Hamptons style of the whole home. As you can see, the material is quite translucent, so it lets in the right amount of light that you would want in a dining space like this, but still provides privacy. And upstairs here in the master suite, we've gone with the beautiful poly satin shutters throughout the whole master bedroom and the ensuite. Now, we love these so much, we've actually managed to incorporate them into a design here of a door. So we've ended up going with the poly satin shutter as a doorway here. Luxaflex poly satin shutters are Australian made to measure and have a 2-week lead time. They are also backed by a 20-year warranty. They are easy to maintain, are impervious to moisture and will not warp, crack or peel, even when exposed to humidity or moisture, making them perfect for the master suite. In all of the kids' bedrooms, we've used Luxaflex wood essence blinds, which is a practical alternative to timber. It's made of poly resin, which also makes it good for high humidity areas such as bathrooms and laundries. We opted for light rise operation, which was ideal, especially in the kids' bedrooms, as the owners can enjoy complete peace of mind knowing there are no messy cords or chains. Outside here, we've gone with a beautiful grey and white striped Luxaflex awning. Now this one ticks all the boxes for us. From Bond's perspective, it's aesthetically pleasing, it's beautiful, it adds character and depth to the back of the property. For me, the major benefit of this awning is that it provides sun protection for the dining space inside. Plus, we've motorised this awning so it can be retracted with the touch of a button. All Luxaflex products are custom made to measure, so they will fit your windows perfectly. So head to their website to learn more.